How are you, my friend?
How are you?
How's everything? Good?
Appreciate it.
Good to see you, my friend.
This is my son's phone, right?
Okay,
So it's
okay,
like,
okay.
we're
Don't
so
tell me.
hard on them, man.
What can you do, my friend? Okay, so I'll take care of that right now. 10 minutes. I do it on the spot right here.
Yeah, no worries. Hey, Sam, how are you?
Brand new, my friend. Leave the protector on as well.
Oh, yeah? So that's perfect. So we don't have to do anything?
Nothing, my friend. It's ready to go.
That's good.
100%.
Okay, awesome. Here you go.
I appreciate it, buddy.
Thanks,
Thank you
man.
so much.
I appreciate
My
all your
friend,
help.
I don't much. You have a wonderful Happy New Year as well. Thank you so much.